Good morning, student. Today we will study about the coordination compound. A coordination complex or metal complex consists of an atom or an ion and a surrounding array of bound molecule or anion that in turn known as ligand or complex agent. It means in the coordination complex we have two things. One is central atom or ion which will accept electron, and other is an atom or group of atom which will donate electron. They are called ligands. So many metal containing compound consist of coordination complexes. Most of them are colorful, some are magnetic, and most of them are reactive. Coordination compounds, metal compound formed by Lewis acid base interaction. Metals are Lewis acid because they are accepting electron pairs. Ligand must be Lewis base because they are donating electron pair. A general form is MLN. N means number of ligand can be 6, 4 or 2. We use square bracket which enclose the metal ion and ligand. Coordination sphere, the area of space encompassing the ligand and metal ion is called as coordination sphere. Coordination charge, coordination number and geometry. Complex ion can be charged. For example, Ag, NH3 whole twice and whole plus 1 charge. Charge on a complex ion is equal to charge on metal plus charge on ligand. So in this case, charge on ammonia is 0. So charge on whole of the complex ion is because of charge on metal ion Ag. Ag has plus 1 in this case. Donor atom, the atom bonded directly to the metal is a donor atom. Coordination number, the number of ligand attached to the metal is called coordination number. For example, in this example, the coordination number is 2 because the number of ligands are 2. Ammonia molecules are 2. The ligand donate unshared electron pair to empty orbital of metal to form the coordination bond. The ligand can alter the property of the metal. Ag plus has taken 1 electron, will convert into Ag. So electropotential is plus 0.799 volt. AgCN whole twice raised to whole negative. When it will gain 1 electron, it will convert to Ag atom plus 2Cn negative ion. So electropotential will be minus 0.031 volt. Most metal ion in water exist as MH2O whole 6 raised to power N positive. The structure of complexes, charge, coordination number and geometry. The most common coordination numbers are 4 and 6. Some metal ions have constant coordination number. Chromium 3 positive and cobalt 3 positive have coordination number of 6. It means they have a 6 surrounding ligands with them. The size of ligand affect the coordination number. For example, FeF6 raised to power 3 negative forms, but only FeCl4 whole raised to power negative is stable. So the size of ligand will also consider upon the stability. The amount of charge transferred from ligand to metal affect coordination number. For example, ammonia 6 ligands are connected to one central metal atom ion is stable, but only nickel Cn4 raised to power 2 negative is stable. So how much charge is transferred will also matter. Charge, coordination number and geometry. 4 coordinate complexes are either tetrahedral or square planar. So this depend upon the symmetry of the ligands attached to the central metal by the different way. Majority of 6 coordinate complexes are octahedral. When there are 6 ligand, that will be complex is called octahedral. Where are 4 ligands, then complex can be tetrahedral or square planar. This depend upon the hybridization. Monodendate. Mono means one, dendate means tooth. Means the ligand which has only one donor atom. So they will only attach to a one position. Polydendate means many donating atom which can bind to central metal ion by many donor atoms. So then one ring will be formed which is called chelating ring, and this type of a ligand is called chelating ligand. For example, ethylene diamine NH2, it has 2 donor atom nitrogen. So they will connect to cobalt by 2 positions. See, they will connect to a cobalt by 2 position. So ethylene diamine, commonly we will write it as En. Common chelate ligand you can see, oxalate ion, orthophenyltoluene, carbonate ion, and bipyridine. These all are chelate ligand. Chelate effect. In both the cases, upper cases, donor atom are nitrogen and free energy charges are very different. The bind energy are approximately similar. The entropy changes are very different, make the big difference in free energy changes. In medicine, sequestering agents are used to selectively remove toxic metal ion while leaving biological important metals. These all are the uses. Now nomenclature. For salt, name the cation before the anion. Example, in CONH3 whole 5 Cl Cl2, we name CONH3 whole 5 Cl raised to power 2 positive before Cl, because positive ion will be written first, whether it's a coordination ion, or negative ion will be written later on, whether it's a counter ion. Outside the square bracket, whatever is written is called counter ion. So CONH3 whole 5. 5 means 5 ligand. I'll write penta. Ligand name is amine. Then one more ligand is chlorine. That is I'll write chloro. Then in the last cobalt will come, and then the oxidation number will come, which is 5. How it will come? Cobalt oxidation number we have to find out. So cobalt is X plus 5 multiply 0, because the charge on the ammonia ligand is 0, plus minus 1 is equal to plus 2. So when we find out, it will be equal to 2. So the penta portion in an indication of number of ammonium group and is therefore not considering in the alphabetically of the ligand. So for H2 we will write aqua, NH3 we will write amine, OH we will write hydroxo. So these are the some ligand and their name. Greek prefixes are used to indicate number of ligands. If the ligand's name has a Greek prefix already, then enclose the ligand name in parentheses and use bis, tris, tetrakis, pentakis, hexakis. Okay. If complex is an anion, the name ends in 8. For example, COCl4 whole raised to power 2 negative. It means this complex is anion. So we will write tetrachlorocobaltate. So in the last of the metal ion, we will write ATE. Oxidation state of metal ion is given in the Roman numeral. So cobalt oxidation state is 3, platinum is 2, chromium is 2 in these cases. Isomerism is not in the syllabus this time. This bonding theory we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.